Imagine a dish that's elegant enough for a dinner party, but takes just one pan, 30 minutes of your time. Today, we are making my one pan callaloo and ricotta stuffed shells. It's creamy, it's comforting, and I'm letting you in on a secret ingredients that takes this from home cooked to restaurant quality in seconds. Let's get into it. Woohoo! We're just crushing down these whole tomatoes so they're not so big. So we'll get a nice sauce with still a bit of texture, just like this. In with some olive oil, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. We saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes before we hit it with some garlic. We're going to let that fragrance for about a minute. But before we get into the shells, we need to talk about the secret ingredient of this sauce. This isn't just tomato sauce. We're talking about a spicy tomato reduction. Yes, family, a little bit of Scotch bonnet that will lend itself to some island heat, a touch of pimento, a splash of sugar, honey, or maple syrup to balance that all out. This is what makes people ask for the recipe. That's what we're talking about in Claudie Cook's Kitchen. So let's get it on. This is smelling beautiful. Can you smell it? I'm going in with some thyme and some basil. And of course, our island heat. You can chop that if you want for a bit of a higher heat level, and we're going in with our crushed pimento. I'm gonna let this reduce for about 10 to 15 minutes whilst we prep our one pan callaloo and ricotta stuffed shells. The best part about this dish is, look, we don't have to boil our pasta separately. We are just nestling them in the shell right into the sauce. The callaloo adds an earthy depth that really spinach, in my opinion, just doesn't match. You get a different flavor and taste and earthiness to the callaloo, and it's all about those layers, family. All about those layers. I love it. And the best part about it, we don't have to wash up a lot of dishes. As I'm filling these shells, I may as well just share this tip with you as well, right? Because I do it. This acts as a great food prep. You know, you can prep this, put it in the freezer, and you can, you know, portion it out and keep it in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 months. Or you can, once you've cooked it and you've got leftovers, just cool it down, pop it in the fridge for up 2 to 3 days. And, you know, you can use this, you know, to take to work as a lunch, you know, lunch boxes, whatever fits into your family dynamics. This is a great food prep, and it's healthy, and it's going to keep you full and satiated. So I just thought I'd share that with you. And I'm using some Emmental cheese as well. That's optional. I'm just going for a bit more cheese pull using this as well. And we're gonna get this into the preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. This 1 pan callaloo and ricotta stuffed shells is going to be lit. Yeah! Look at that. 1 pan, 0 stress, and 10 out of 10 for flavor. Whether it's a Wednesday night or you're just trying to impress your friends and family around you, this 1 pot callaloo and ricotta cheese is the way to go. If you make this, tag me so that I can see what you've done with yours. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's dive into our little taste. I'm going in for this sauce. Look at that. Oh my word. This has just taken another stuffed pasta shell or a pasta dish to the next level with beautiful island flavors. Oh my gosh. This is going to be your next best 1 pan. So let's try our pasta shell with our stuffed callaloo and ricotta. My gosh, the pimento and that little bit of a hum of our Scotch bonnet. Oh my gosh, this is divine. This is divine. The earthiness of the callaloo. Look at that, baby. Look at that. OMG. Wow. This is super delicious. Super delicious. Simple ingredient and beautiful flavor and taste. Let's get into some of this beautiful Scotch bonnet and pimento reduction. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, your girl are dancing for her food because it's so delicious. I'll see you in the next video for some more delicious Claudie Cooks recipe. Woohoo!